everyone, this is another video from Easy Electric series, and today we want to learn about the Revolve command that you have in Fusion 316 and see how we could use Revolve command to make more complex 3D object. So stay tuned. So as usual, let's to start to make a new design. So I'm coming here, make a new design. So as usual, we are going to the Y and X axis, create the sketch. So let's to first start with the line and make a line from here to 60 millimeter. So inter is fully constrained. I want to be the line be construction. I made it. So now I'm going to make a circle. So let's do center pointed circle and make the diameter 62. So make sure it is fully constrained, which is it is. So now I want to use the revolve. So as you could see here, I have a circle here on the y-axis. So somehow the revolve command, it somehow turn the circle, able to turn that any angles around these y-axis. So let's to see that. So I'm coming here, I say create, then I say revolve. I select the face, then I need to select the axis. I select actually the y-axis. As you could see, it somehow revolved that 360-degree, and we have a nice donut here. So you could actually do the lot of things here. So you could actually change these degrees. So let's just say 180. So you have actually the 180. So even you could actually play with this to make any angles that you want. So that's actually the other things that you could do. So it could be a one-sided, you could do two-sided, and also you actually start to do that from the other side too. So let's do actually say new body, okay. So now somehow we make a elbow. So the only thing is here we should somehow we need to take the inside out, which easily you could use the shell. You select that, so then you use the other surface, then you say actually 3 millimeter thickness. Okay, so as you see, easily you could actually make a PVC elbow and actually you are able to print it that. So as you see, it is very actually useful command that you could use. So let's do have another example that shows the somehow the same thing. So here instead of the circle, I'm going to have the rectangle and somehow use the revolve. Let's to say center rectangles, come here and say 60 by 60. So let's to say tab 60, 60 by 60, enter. So it is actually is fully constrained. So then you do the same. You actually comes here, create, you say revolve, you already selected, and for access you are selecting the y-axis. So as you could see, this is what you made. So as I mentioned, you could actually make in any angle that you want. So even maybe something like this or something like this. I don't know. That depends on your needs. So again, you could do the same. You could use the shell, somehow select this side and also the other side. And then you actually have the thickness of 2 millimeter. So this is actually another interesting shape that you get. So usually these kind of the shape you use in the HVAC, and so here it shows the how powerful is Revolve. So let's do one more. So another example. Let's do back to our uh, here and maybe comes here and say edit the sketch. So I'm backing to the same place. So now let's see if I could have another line from here to this center. So I just make that as a construction line. So now comes here, add another circle, and then use the revolve. Let's see if I have the circle diameter 60 and say enter, so it is fully constrained. That's good news. Let's to get rid of these two sides, then use the revolve. I say cut, get rid of this, and get rid of this. So now, so just don't, let's say, finish the sketch. So now I have this. Now I'm using the same. So see what I could get. I say revolve to select, wait a minute. So let's to say revolve. So I select this and also select this. Now it comes to the axis and select axis. It works. So as you could see, you got another interesting shape here. So again, you could play with that. It could be any, I don't know, any shape that you want. So which is we are somehow use the revolve to the surface that you see. It give us another interesting shape. So let's to have another example. So we did that and see what else we could do. So let's now let to actually add another rectangle. So let's to say 2-point rectangle, bring one here and give another one here. So just make sure it is fully constrained. Yes, which is it is. So now I'm going to select this and select this one, not this one. And now let's do use the revolve and see what we could get. So, and if this is the is actually the y-axis, you see how actually interesting it is. So see, I'm actually making more actually cool 3D object here, which somehow with using the revolve command that we have here. So as you see, so the revolve is very useful, especially if you want to use it to make more complex 3D object, and and easily you could use that to make a very interesting 3D object. So I hope you find this video useful. Thank you for watching this video.